Welcome to Module 13, Lesson 2. Our I can statement reads, I can compare angles and use unit angles to find how many of the unit angle complete a circle. Okay, so in this lesson we're talking about angles and we're going to learn what a unit angle is. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Competitors in an obstacle race must overcome 3 ramps. An angle is formed when 2 rays are connected at a common endpoint or a vertex. The black outlines show the angles that make up each ramp. So each of these dots at the angles is the vertex of the angle. So how can we compare the angles? Go ahead and take a minute to think about what can you do to compare them. How do we tell the difference between these 3 angles? So one idea is we can compare the size of the opening of the angle. Okay. And then how would we label them from least to greatest? So from greatest to least. Which opening is the greatest and which one is the least? Well, this purple opening is the greatest, right? And we can tell the orange opening is the least. So we can order them from purple, then green, and finally, our least opening is orange. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the next page. We're going to look at problem 3. A wagon wheel is in the shape of a circle. It has wooden spokes that connect directly from the hub to the rim, forming an angle. How many of these unit angles come together in the center of the circle? So we need to figure out how can we use the unit angle. Okay, that's what's shown. This is our unit angle. How can we use that unit angle to find the number of angles that make up the circle? Well, what can we do? Right, we can take this unit angle and repeat it around the circle. Right, so we can take it and make it repeat around the circle. So really what we're doing is we can turn the angle and draw another unit angle until we filled the circle. Okay, so we just want to do our best estimations here. With our unit angle. Once I've kind of sketched them out, then I'm going to go back and darken them. Now that I know I have pretty equal unit angles. So go ahead and take a minute to do that. And let's count it up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles come together in the center of this circle. Go ahead and pause the video and complete check understanding. Press play to check your work. All right, you should have found that these angles appear to be the same size. From least to greatest, blue has the least opening, then red, then green. And then you should have found that we have about 6 unit angles.